Well, it's a very nice but very hot Sunday, and I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get outside and clean my refrigerator and take advantage of this lovely but hot weather. And I'm going to take you along with me, so I hope you enjoy the video. Well, as you can see, I'm outside. It's nice, sunny, and hot out here. As you can see, all that gooey there, all that ice. I'm gonna get that out of there. Clean this up a little bit. I'm trying to clean up my house a little bit better. I haven't done a very good job of it lately. So I figured I'll bring you all out here with me. Well, I got it all cleaned up. There's the extra ice. I had a hard time getting out of the refrigerator, but I had to turn the camera off because I had to use both hands to be able to get that hard ice out. But it's out, and the refrigerator is cleaned up. I'm gonna dry it off. Make sure that outlet is dried off as well before I plug it back up into the outlet there. So I'm gonna head back on inside, and I'll see you all in a little bit. Well, as you can see, I got my mini refrigerator back in the room here. I'm gonna allow it to continue to air out, dry out rather, and before I plug it back in, I'm gonna make sure that that outlet is dry before I plug it back. See, it's still kind of wet there, so I'm gonna keep on letting it air dry now for a while. I'm not in a hurry to use it because I can use my main refrigerator. So I'm gonna give it about an hour or so to dry out. Then I'm gonna plug it back in, and it'll be back in service again.